how to turn off Google Assistant on Android. So if you want to turn off Google Assistant on your Android, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and then find additional settings, and then you'll have digital assistant or Google Assistant. But if you don't find your digital assistant, then you can also go with your search. Under search, you need to search for assistant. Tap on your Google Assistant. Now you need to go and toggle this off, and that's it. Your Google Assistant will be turned off. You can also go back and then open up your Google. From your Google, go with your profile, which is on the top right. Go with your settings. Under settings here, you will have your Google Assistant. Tap on it. And if you've turned this on, you need to go and turn it off. Here you will have a toggle to turn off. So go with general. And if it is turned on, you will have a toggle right here. You need to go and toggle that off, and your Google Assistant will be turned off. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.